Welcome back to Factful Finance, the place where we bring the latest financial news and insights directly to you. Today, we're diving into a massive headline: a $4 trillion stock market loss. Yes, you heard that right, $4 trillion. With so much volatility swirling around, it's hard not to ask, should you buy Tesla, Nvidia, or Apple? Let's unpack this. Imagine waking up to find that your portfolio has lost a significant chunk of its value overnight. It's the nightmare scenario for many investors, right? That's exactly what has happened recently, as the US stock market has seen a dramatic drop, triggered largely by geopolitical uncertainty and the ongoing trade war. But what does this mean for tech stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple, which have been big players in this bull market? Should you take the plunge or sit this one out? Before we dive into the specifics of Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple, let's lay the groundwork. The broader market just faced its steepest loss in years, with the S&P 500 down over 8% from its February peak. The tech-heavy Nasdaq, a major index for big tech companies, saw a 10% correction. But here's the kicker. Despite all the turbulence, valuations for stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple are still significantly above historical averages. This creates a perfect storm for investors. So let's break down the situation from the ground up and look at each stock with fresh eyes. First up, Tesla. Tesla's stock has always been a roller coaster, but in 2025, it's taken a serious hit, losing more than $125 billion in a single day. A $4 trillion market loss? That certainly puts things in perspective, especially when a massive player like Tesla falls 15%. But here's the thing, Tesla's potential for innovation, particularly in energy storage and autonomous vehicles, hasn't vanished. So should you buy in now or wait for a rebound? If you believe in long-term growth and have a high tolerance for risk, this might be your opportunity. But remember, volatility is Tesla's middle name, so proceed with caution. Now let's talk about Nvidia. The chip giant has been one of the biggest beneficiaries of the tech boom, particularly in AI and gaming. But even Nvidia isn't immune to the broader market correction. With its stock down 5%, it's easy to panic. But if you're looking for a solid play in the AI-driven future, Nvidia could still be one of the strongest bets. The company is positioned at the heart of a technological revolution, so long-term investors might want to consider this dip as an entry point. Finally, Apple. As one of the largest companies on the planet, Apple has faced its fair share of market turbulence, yet its performance remains robust compared to many others. Apple's diversified revenue streams, from its iPhones to its services business, provide a buffer in times of market uncertainty. Even with a 5% drop recently, Apple remains a go-to for risk-averse investors seeking stability. If you're looking for a safer, more reliable option during uncertain times, Apple could be your anchor in this storm. So, where does this leave you? Should you be buying Tesla, Nvidia, or Apple amid a $4 trillion market loss? It all comes down to your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Tesla and Nvidia might be appealing if you're prepared for volatility and believe in the long-term technological growth. But if you're looking for stability and a proven track record, Apple might be the way to go. Remember, these are high-risk, high-reward stocks that could be a great addition to a diversified portfolio. As always, this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning these companies isn't an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which stock are you most interested in right now? Tesla, Nvidia, or Apple? Drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to respond to as many as I can. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth financial breakdowns like this one. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have coming next. Now, if you're looking to supercharge your investing strategy, this next video will give you the insights you need. Click on screen to watch. Let's keep growing together.